The ocean, a place of immense beauty and power, hides a dark history. A crimson tide has stained its depths, a testament to humanity's insatiable greed. For centuries, whales, the gentle giants of the sea, have been hunted relentlessly, their colossal bodies carved up for profit. Their sacrifice, a cruel and bloody affair, fueled lamps, lined corsets, and enriched empires. This is the story of that hunt. A tale of brutality and unexpected alliances. It's a journey to the icy plains of Antarctica, where the pursuit of profit pushed both man and nature to their limits. We will delve into the gruesome reality of the whaling industry, witnessing the devastating impact it had on these magnificent creatures and the delicate balance of the ocean itself. But beyond the carnage, we'll uncover a surprising truth. This isn't just a story of human greed, it's also a story of an unlikely partnership. A bond formed between hunter and predator, man and orca, in the icy crucible of the Antarctic. This unlikely alliance, while seemingly beneficial to both sides, ultimately tipped the scales of the ecosystem, leaving behind a chilling legacy. Prepare yourself, for the story we are about to unravel is not for the faint of heart. It's a stark reminder of the power and fragility of nature and the consequences of our actions on the world around us. The dawn of the 20th century saw whaling reach its brutal zenith. The discovery of vast whale populations in the icy waters surrounding Antarctica sparked a gold rush of a different kind. Fleets of ships, armed with harpoons tipped with explosive charges, descended upon the Southern Ocean, eager to claim their share of the bounty. Antarctica, a continent of stark beauty and unforgiving cold, became the epicenter of this new whaling frontier. The icy waters, teeming with life, were transformed into a hunting ground. Whales, once lords of these desolate seas, were reduced to commodities, their massive bodies transformed into oil, meat and bone. The whalers, driven by profit and a sense of reckless abandon, pushed deeper into the Antarctic wilderness. They braved treacherous seas and endured sub-zero temperatures, all in the pursuit of their quarry. The hunt was relentless, a brutal dance between man and beast that often ended in the crimson staining of the pristine ice floes. The whaling ships themselves were floating factories of death, designed for efficiency and lethality. Massive harpoon cannons capable of firing projectiles weighing over a ton were mounted on their decks. These harpoons, tipped with explosive heads, were designed to pierce the thick blubber of whales, sending shockwaves through their enormous bodies. Once struck, the whales were often dragged behind the ship alive, but mortally wounded. The chase could last for hours, a gruesome spectacle of pain and suffering. Finally, exhausted and near death, the whales were hauled onto the flensing decks, where the bloody work of processing began. There, amidst the stench of blood and blubber, the whales were stripped bare. Teams of men, armed with long knives and hooks, carved the carcasses into manageable pieces. The air was thick with the sounds of their work, the scraping of blades, the thud of flesh hitting the deck, the shouts of the men as they labored. In a strange twist of fate, the whalers found unlikely allies in their quest for blubber orcas. These highly intelligent and social predators, known for their cunning hunting strategies, recognized the whalers as a source of opportunity. Orcas, it turned out, shared the whalers' appetite for whale flesh. They would often follow the whaling ships, drawn by the commotion and the promise of an easy meal. The whalers, initially wary of these apex predators, soon learned to exploit their presence. A system of cooperation emerged, a macabre partnership between man and beast. The orcas, with their keen eyesight and knowledge of the local waters, would often locate whale pods before the whalers. They would then herd the whales, driving them towards the waiting harpoons.